Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that MySQL users encounter when working with Regex. The issue at hand involves the syntax for character classes and how they are used in Regex queries. It's quite intriguing to see how different implementations can sometimes lead to unexpected results, as we'll explore in the following paragraphs. Starting with the solution, let's take a look at a simple Regex query that surprisingly works despite the official documentation suggesting otherwise. The query in question uses the alpha character class to match alphabeta characters within a string. When executed, the query returns a successful match, showcasing the flexibility of MySQL's Regex functionality. Now, delving deeper into the solution, we encounter scenarios where the order of character classes and the use of quantifiers can impact the matching results. For instance, attempting to match a sequence of digit and alphabeta characters using 6 directly after the character classes doesn't yield the desired outcome. This highlights the importance of structuring Regex queries correctly to achieve accurate results. Continuing with our exploration of MySQL's Regex capabilities, we find that grouping character classes is necessary when dealing with multiple classes in a Regex pattern. Attempting to group the sequences without proper structuring can lead to unexpected matches or mismatches, emphasizing the significance of syntax precision in Regex queries. Moving forward, we observe how the bracket syntax plays a crucial role in Regex queries, allowing for the matching of either of the specified characters within a set. This flexibility enables users to define complex patterns containing multiple character classes with ease, enhancing the versatility of Regex queries in MySQL. Further emphasizing the importance of syntax clarity, we see how character ranges can simplify the representation of character classes in Regex queries. By encapsulating the desired characters within brackets, users can efficiently specify the range of characters to match, streamlining the Regex querying process in MySQL. In summary, navigating the intricacies of Regex in MySQL requires a keen eye for syntax precision and an understanding of how character classes, grouping, and ranges influence query results. By mastering these aspects, users can harness the full potential of Regex in MySQL to efficiently query and manipulate data. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and leave a witty comment below.